Hello guys, this is the another day of my English speaking practice, and in this video you will going to you will get to know that how I am gaining fluency because I am doing practice more than 7 months straightly without skip any day, and you can see the result because I am from Hindi background. This is why I am struggling to get fluency in English, and this is most important to learn for me because I am an advocate by my choice in Delhi. If I would be an advocate, or if I do practice in UP because my hometown is in UP. If I was doing my practice in UP, there is no need to learn English. But because I am practicing in Delhi, this is why it is most important to learn this language. Because without this language, I don't even think to survive in this profession. This is why it is most important to learn English first, because this is a kind of tool. With that, you can be at that level where you can think that now I am a kind of successful advocate, because I don't want to see myself in district courts only. But without English, I can't even think to go in the High Court or Supreme Court in Delhi. Because in High Court and Supreme Court, the language is English. You can give submission. Drafting language is already in English in all over Delhi, even in district courts as well. But when it's, if I talk about the language of giving submission, an argument, an appearance, you have to know how to speak in English, and you have to speak in English in the court, in the High Court or Supreme Court, only in English. If you don't know English, you can't even think to appear in the High Court or District Court. This is why I am learning English. This is my goal. This is my clear vision. I don't even think about. I don't even any confusion. I don't have any confusion in my vision. I have clear vision. Why I am learning English? Because of I am an advocate. I am an first generation advocate. There is no legal background of mine. I don't have any legal connections as well, because my family lives in village, and where I can't even, because I don't know. There is no legal background, but my relatives are in this profession, but I don't have no connection with them. This is why I am struggling. I am struggling because of I want to you know make this happen for me. I want to acquire this language, because I was reading a quote in which I have read that if you want to acquire any language, your mind rewires accordingly, because our mind rewires to learn any language. You can learn any language because our mind don't know in which language you are comfortable and in which language you grew up. Because of we grew up in the Hindi background, because my environment is totally Hindi. Not that kind of Hindi, because I am from village. This is why I can say the language is a kind of, Desi or something. But if I talk about the Hindi, but yes, I can say because my schooling has been done in Hindi as well. But nowadays, it is most important to learn English. Let's talk about the day, because I don't even think about on which topic should I speak. I have one topic, that what I did today, what I did so far in the day. Because I am making this video, there is 12 a.m. at night. And yes, most of the time, not most of the time, I always make video or always record myself when I practice of English speaking at night. This is a kind of habit of mine, because I don't sleep without making video without recording myself because I want to train my mind before sleeping. I want to say to my mind indirectly that you have to think in English. There is, no way to get comfortable in Hindi. You have to think in English and you have to train yourself to learn English because without English, you can't survive. No time. You can't survive in this profession because when I read an article on the mind that how our mind works, I read a beautiful quote that was if you say to your mind positively, your mind works positively. If you say anything to your mind negatively, it works accordingly. This is why whatever you want to become in your life, whatever you want to achieve in your life, just say it to your mind on the daily basis 3 times a day, repeatedly without skip any day. Or don't doubt on yourself ever again. If you doubt on yourself, please don't doubt on yourself ever again. Just say to your mind, you are the one whom you want to become. Are you getting my point? What I'm just saying to you, because manifestation is the thing. I was watching a video in which I have learned that manifestation is something. I don't know the power of manifestation yet, but I am manifesting. You know how I manifest? I manifest like I am a fluent English speaker and I am a successful advocate. I am arguing in the High Court and Supreme Court because I can argue and giving submission in the district courts, but somehow I don't even think because of this is my barrier. What is my barrier? My barrier is English speaking, not English writing. I can write whatever I want to write. I can write everything. I can listen easily and understand easily. But when it's time to speak in English, it is most difficult task to perform. And when it's time to speak with real people and communicate with real people, our mind get blank. My mind get stuck. I don't know why. And when I was most of the time I watch so many kinds of reel why our mind feels stuck or something. Even though I know what to say, it happens with all. You know what? Why? Because we don't have enough practice. Why you are so comfortable in your native language? Because you have enough practice of listening, reading, writing, and speaking as well. And how you have learned your first language, try to learn this language in the same manner. Because when you were a kid, you were learning through listening, through repeat after them. Just do like this. First of all, you have to make a listening habit first of English content only, in which you are comfortable or you are interested. If you want to watch any video related to anything, whatever may be the topic is, just try to listen or try to watch in English only. Secondly, choose that topic in which you are genuinely interested. You know, through this, you are saying to your mind indirectly that get comfortable with that. You are saying to your mind indirectly that get comfortable with it because you know from today I will going to listen each and everything in English. And why I am saying this? Because I am not saying to you randomly. I am telling this as per my experience because I am practicing more than 7 months straightly without skip any day. This is why you can see the fluency. This is why I am able to speak in English. There is no, kind of, I didn't enroll any coaching institutions till now, but I watch or listen many kinds of video on YouTube. I listen or I watch many kinds of video on Instagram, but in English. There is one condition, that is you want to, you can, watch anything, you can listen anything, but that will be in English. Second thing, just try to repeat after what you are just listening. This is most important to learn how to speak. Are you getting my point? If you are not trying to speak what you are just listening, you can't be fluent. You can't able to speak. You will feel always stuck when you try to communicate with real people. This is why it is most important to mention here that, as per my experience, what you are just listening, try to repeat after them. Try to mimic. If you are doing this and you are still feeling stuck, don't worry, bro. Because I am coming from that kind of phase. I was feeling at a time that there is no point to listen content in English or listen anything in English. There is no point to make video or record myself in English, because from the very beginning I have taken the challenge of making video at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day, so that I can say to my mind that, okay, you have to learn English and you have to anyhow try to speak in English. You should give the words to the tongue so that I can speak. In the starting, those days was very difficult for me to speak. And you can see how many mistakes I have made in those videos. But still I have uploaded all of those videos on YouTube. And nowadays you are watching these kinds of videos, and you are just thinking that I have gained somehow or some kind of fluency. I don't say I am a fluent or something, because I am not. I make so many mistakes in my conversation, but yes, I am far better than those who are just starting, who are just even thinking. Because nowadays I can speak with real peoples. Yes, most of the time I give submission in the court in English. Most of the time I argue in the court in English. And for what I am learning English? This is why I am learning English. And this is my purpose, to learn English. Okay, so let's talk about the day I have made this video on my experience. And let's talk about my day, what I did when I was, going downstairs to buy some food in the dinner, because I didn't cook anything for myself in the dinner. I bought it so that I can have in my dinner. When I was going downstairs, I met an auntie, because I am living in Delhi on rent. I am tenant for her. So she was asking that, can you drop my daughter-in-law to the school, because she works in a school as a teacher. So I was like, okay, let's see in the morning, because most of the time I wake up at 8 or 9, between 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning, and let's see if I wake up at time, on time, then okay, I will going to drop your daughter-in-law. Otherwise, let's see. So she was like, please drop her in the morning only, because rarely she asked to drop her. But I was like, okay, no issue. Let's see in the morning. So it is all about today, or this video. I'm just going to getting sleep, and let's talk about a video. I made a video because I have and challenge. I have another channel of on YouTube, and I have 170k subscriber on that channel, and I make content for those people or for those students who are related to this profession, related to my profession, or who are pursuing law as a career, and I make content for those students on the regular basis. So today I have made a video in which I have mentioned that if you want to go, if you want to go towards your goal, if you want to become a successful advocate, you have to choose an advocate which will going to, or who will going to guide you in each and every case, or each and every stage of a case. Because being a first generation lawyer, we don't have an idea how to pursue a matter in a right way, because we didn't have practice. Are you getting my point? What I'm just trying to say? I don't have any case yet, and I am working under a senior. In the way my senior is guiding me, in the same way I can practice. So, if you want to go, or if you want to achieve anything in this profession, you have to choose your senior wisely, because he can make you a successful advocate, or he will destroy your whole career, because he will going to take your precious time, because this is the precious time you are just giving in this profession under your senior. If your senior is not guiding you in a proper way, just try to, don't even try, just change your senior, because there are lots of senior in this profession. If your senior is not guiding you, or not you know giving support to you, just change your senior. This is most important thing for those who are pursuing law, or thinking that, because I have met so many advocates who have practiced more than 5 or 6 years, not month, for 5 or 6 years, but still they don't know how trial works, how a trial run in the court. They don't even idea, because they go with their senior, and their seniors or their senior do each and everything in the court, and they just go with their senior, and they come to the chamber with the files. They only care, they only carry the files for senior. That is it. This is not you should do. You should learn each and every day. Just try to carry a diary in which you will going to write what you have learned today. If you don't learn, if you didn't learn today anything, your day has been waste. Trust me, your day has been best. Waste, not best. Because because I am from Hindi background, this is why I made these kinds of silly mistakes mostly. This is why I say to myself that I am a beginner. I'm not a kind of mediocre level as well. Mediocre level as well. I said that level. So it is all about till now. I'm just going to see you in the morning, I guess. Bye.